Hi guys, welcome back. If you're a little confused who this person is, it's just me with a lot of makeup, don't worry. Today I'm showing you this rose gold look. I have a lot of new products and I felt like it was just time to do something new. I know you guys have seen me do a ton of natural makeup looks and that's still my go-to. I still do that basically every single day. But every now and then if I'm going to an event or, you know, it's a party or whatever, today I'm showing you this, what I'm calling rose gold look. It's not necessarily rose goldy at all, but it's pinky toned. So I feel like rose gold has a nice ring to it. So we're just gonna go with it. One last thought on this look. I literally feel like I look like an Instagram filter with this makeup on. I feel very, very like polished and got like that glow that Instagram filter gives me, and I mean, I'm all about it. So even though I wouldn't rock this like on a regular Tuesday, even though it's probably Tuesday now and I'm filming this, I'm gonna go wash my face in a minute. Okay, anyways, so this is a look that I call my rose gold. It's got a lot of new products. It's fun, it's pink, it's girly, it's flirty. Let's just try it out. Let's get started. First up is primer. Today I'm using this Laura Mercier hydrating primer because I'm using a lot more face products than I normally do. So I wanna make sure that my skin is nicely coated and hydrated for all the makeup. Today I'm going to be mixing a foundation with these highlighter drops. I've received countless questions about the YSL foundation. This is a fairly new foundation to my collection and I'm absolutely loving it. You guys know I like something that's very natural and light, and this is exactly that, but it gives you that perfect coverage. So I always get the question about coverage and I never really know how to answer it because I don't look for coverage typically, but this is the kind of foundation where if you want that coverage, it's there, but it still looks really, really natural. And because it's a matte foundation, I'm going to mix in these Cover FX drops. These, I wear them underneath foundation and as a highlighter. So you're gonna see different ways to use these drops throughout some of my makeup videos, but today we're gonna mix these two together and watch what it does. Is this not an Instagram filter in real life? Next up, I'm doing my brows, just brushing them upwards as usual. They're kind of overgrown right now. They're due for a trim, but sometimes that's a good look. Still using the Benefit pencil. This is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil in number 3. Brows with this Glossier Boy Brow. This is a light brown color. It's called Boy Brow Blonde. I'm also going to use my Lancome LA Base eye primer. This thing is kind of intense. Ooh, whoops. I just use my finger though. I feel like I just can control the product better that way. And because we're gonna be doing more eyeshadow than typical today, this is basically a heavier look than my normal look, if you haven't caught on. I like to use a little primer. right, so I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm using a new palette. This is big. We all know I'm addicted to one specific palette, and so the fact that I'm using something new is pretty exciting. Honestly, I started following Huda Beauty on Instagram a couple months ago, and I just kind of became infatuated with everything about her, her makeup, her looks, her products. So I'm really excited to be using this palette today. I think you guys are gonna love it. It's basically what I do on steroids. So the first step, I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier. This is called the All Over Eye Brush, and I'm gonna go with the Huda Beauty Color in Musk. Ah! God, I'm so bad at this, you guys. New brush, guys, Laura Mercier crease brush. We're gonna stick with the same palette with the crease brush, and we're gonna use this color right here called Oud. Okay, so at first I was really traumatized by my crease color. I was like, ooh, it's a little too aggressive. But then I figured out that you just have to blend it out and everything kind of looks seamless in the end, but you kind of have to just trust the process. I was a little freaked out when I first did it too. So if you're kind of like, ooh, not so sure about it, just finish it all the way through. You'll see it looks good in the end. I've switched brushes to this Laura Mercier eye color brush, and I'm gonna use the color Angelic. So if you notice, I kind of did like a patting motion. I wasn't really swiping it on. You want to just kind of do that because you're pressing it into the eyelid because it's a shimmer. I find that when you swipe, you kind of like make, what do you call it? There's fallout. That's a makeup term. Fallout is when like the makeup kind of like falls out. So instead of that, you just kind of pat it in there. And I went into the inner corners, so I got that little like highlight in the inside of my eyes. From here, you can just take any sort of fluffy brush, a blending brush, and just kind of do circular motions up here to blend out the crease if it looks a little too choppy. So I'm not gonna do any eyeliner today. I feel like when you do these kind of looks, you wanna keep a less is more mentality. For me, this is a really like aggressive makeup look, so it's baby steps for me. Maybe one day I'm gonna add a false lash, maybe one day I'll do a wing liner, but today we're gonna keep it minimal. super into this matte bronzer lately because I feel like I've been using a lot of shimmer products on my face. So to kind of balance it out, I'm using a matte bronzer today. Another new Huda Beauty product. So this is her highlighting palette. I'm gonna use a fan brush for all of this. So I'm gonna go with the color Seychelles right here first. I'm gonna finish off the look with two lip products. This is Buxom in Come to Dolly. It's a lip plumping lip gloss. And then I'm using this Huda Beauty. It's like a shimmer color in Snobby. They call this Lip Strobe. So watch what these two do together. Whenever I use a matte lip product, I feel like it's really easy to kind of go outside the lines. So I like to do the lip product first and then just correct with the lip pencil. Finish up the look with the setting spray, and because we're going with this really glowy hydrated look, I'm going to finish with the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. I get a lot of questions about this because if you don't shake it really well and if you don't use enough product, you're going to kind of get a little bit of like speckling on your face. So watch how I actually circulate my face and I kind of spray a lot. Guys, what do we think? Are you guys into it? Do you not like it? Do you want more of this? Let me know. I definitely want your feedback. I had a lot of fun experimenting. I feel like it's kind of taken me a lot of trial and error to kind of showcase a look like this because I know you're so used to seeing me in like very minimal natural looks, but I feel like sometimes it's fun to just kind of step outside of my comfort zone and just go for it. So let me know what you guys think. I've made sure to link everything down below as usual, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.